In this video, I will show you how to delete your search history on Facebook. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are, as you can see currently on Facebook. So what you want to do is open up the Facebook app, and what you want to do is come up to the top right hand corner and press onto the magnifying glass to open up the search page. From here, what you need to do is come up to the top right hand corner and press the blue See All link. And what it's going to do is bring up all your searches. Now, what you can do is delete your searches one by simply pressing onto the cross next to the search that you want to delete, just like so. If you want to clear all your searches or your search history, come up to the top right hand corner, press clear all. Then what it's going to do is come up with a window like this, which says clear all searches and visits. As you can see, it says this will remove your entire search history on every device, but just bear in mind you cannot undo this. So if you want to clear it completely, just press on to clear all, and that's going to delete your entire search history on Facebook. So that is how to delete your search history on Facebook. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.